Today, we're not tapping to get closer to God. We're tapping to realize maybe we were never separate in the first place. And before anything inside you reacts to that, just notice the reaction. Because for a lot of people, the deepest pain isn't actually money problems or relationship problems or stress, it's a disconnection. It's the feeling that somehow we've drifted away from the loving source of life itself. Somewhere along the way, we lost the feeling of being guided, supported, protected, and connected. Now, I'm going to use the word God because that's the word I personally love using. But if another word resonates more deeply with you, source, creator, higher power, divine intelligence, universe, that's completely okay. The word matters less than the feeling because ultimately, what we're talking about is the loving source behind all creation. And maybe what we've really been searching for this whole time underneath the goals and achievements and distractions is that feeling of connection, that feeling of coming home to ourselves. Because when you truly feel connected to God, something changes inside you. You feel safer, more supported, more abundant, more alive. You stop feeling like you're carrying the entire weight of life alone. And maybe that's why so many of us chase distractions, overworking, validation, achievement, or numbing, because we're trying to fill a spiritual ache with temporary things. We're trying to fill a void. But today, we're slowing down long enough to reconnect to what may have always been there underneath all of it, not creating connection, remembering connection. So close your eyes and take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, I want you to imagine what it would feel like to feel completely connected to God, completely connected to the loving source of life. Just for a moment, let yourself experience that feeling. What would it feel like in your body? Would your shoulders relax? Would your heart soften? Would the fear quiet down a little? Would life feel a little less heavy? And notice what else comes up. Maybe part of you feels resistance. Maybe part of you feels disconnected. Maybe part of you wonders if you're worthy of that connection. Maybe part of you stopped trusting, and that's okay. We're not here to judge any of it. We're just here to lovingly clear what's been blocking you from feeling what may have always been true. Take another breath in and open your eyes. Now, if you're new to tapping, just follow along with me, tap where I tap and say what I say. So start with the side of the hand. Even though part of me feels disconnected from God, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though sometimes I forget that I am connected to the source of all life, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though life, stress, pain, and fear sometimes made me feel separated from God, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm open to reconnecting now. I want to feel connected to God. I want to feel connected to the source of life. But sometimes I feel disconnected. Sometimes I feel alone. Sometimes I forget who I really am. Sometimes I forget whose I am. And maybe that's happened to all of us. Maybe we all forgot or forget sometimes. Part of me has been searching for connection everywhere else, through achievement, through validation, through distractions, trying to fill something spiritual with temporary things. But what I really want is connection. Connection to God, connection to the loving source of creation. And maybe I was never actually disconnected. Maybe I only felt disconnected, like a wave forgetting it's part of the ocean. Maybe the connection never disappeared. Maybe my awareness of it just got clouded by fear, by stress, by pain and conditioning. I forgive myself for feeling disconnected. I forgive myself for forgetting. I forgive myself for judging myself spiritually. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm human, and humans forget sometimes, but I can reconnect right here and right now. Maybe part of me is afraid of fully connecting because there's power in that connection. When I truly feel connected to God, I feel powerful. I feel guided. I feel supported. I feel like anything is possible. And part of me may have been afraid of that. I'm releasing the fear of fully connecting. I'm releasing the fear of God's love. Releasing the fear of my own power. Releasing the belief that I'm separate. Releasing at a cellular level. All the way back through my past. Every moment that made me feel alone. Releasing now. I allow myself to reconnect to God, to Source, to the loving energy behind all creation. I allow myself to feel supported, guided, protected, and deeply loved by God. When I feel connected, I naturally feel more abundant, more peaceful, more joyful. More alive, because connection is abundance. Connection is peace. Connection is home. Now close your eyes again and take a deep breath in. Hold it and let it go. And just imagine what life feels like when you move through the world connected to God. Not perfect, not fearless, but connected. Imagine waking up with that feeling, making decisions from that feeling, speaking from that feeling, creating from that feeling, living from that feeling. Feel how different life becomes when you stop seeing yourself as separate from the source of life itself. And maybe you don't need to force this feeling. Maybe you just need to allow it. Allow yourself to receive love. Allow yourself to receive guidance. Allow yourself to receive peace. Allow yourself to reconnect to what may have been there all along. Take one more breath in and open your eyes. Maybe the greatest thing you could ever manifest isn't money, success, or achievement. Maybe it's remembering your connection to God while you're here on this earth. Because from that connection, everything else changes. You think differently, feel differently, treat yourself differently, treat others differently, move differently, and life starts feeling less like survival and more like alignment. Keep coming back to this feeling and video, not because God ever left you, but because sometimes we simply forget to notice the connection that was always there. Drink some water, be gentle with yourself today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.